We have this rigged up. Truck's on the side and I have ratchet straps. We're good. But I don't like the sound of this. Come on. That was a good one. Thing just broke. We're good. This is round 2. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, it's coming. Alright, we got 4-wheel drive, and we broke off the new piece of the fire hose. Let's see if this works. Come on, baby. Yeah. There it goes. And we also have a disc on the back too. Very close to it. Enough to work on it. Oh yeah. What's up, everybody? Doing a video. That's a big ass ant. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is a video of a the 1950s. What is up, guys? This is a beginning of a series of this tractor here. This series is a early 1950s Ferguson 30. So back then it was called a Harry Ferguson. Harris Ferguson or Harry Ferguson. The guy, correct me if wrong, he passed away in the 50s. Who made these, or sold the company, it's one of those two. And then moved on to Massey Ferguson. And we had this tractor in the family forever. It's been through 2 accidents. One, it was on a trailer and it sideswiped, or no, some car T-boned it. Trailer was flipped over. And the truck, my dad's truck currently, the whole side, I believe, was all messed up. And of course it didn't do nothing to this tractor. I don't think. This was before my time. And man, that's a big ass mosquito. And anyways, the second one was leaving a store we have down close to the house. And I think we had like a plow or something. Damn. I don't know if you can hear that, but something's going on. Had a plow, or I think it was a disc. I think that's what it was. Either a disc or a tilde tool. And it hit the back, which I show you that if I can. Because when you see the video of this pulling, yes, it'd be in this video as well. You'll understand. But anyways, let me get this camera and I'll show. That went in my mouth. A bug. Did not taste good. I should show you around. Alright. Here's a tractor in all its glory. Yes, the exhaust fell off. It was running when the exhaust fell off. Sounded really good. Oh man. That is luck. That is luck right here. That's the key. Damn. Wasps was all around here, so I'm being careful as possible. But yeah, like I said, it had a disc on it when we pulled it. And then you see that fender over there. That's where it got hit. When that person hit it in the rear end. But yeah, my plan is to try and restore it. We tried working on it last year sometime, and just lost it pretty much. But yeah, one thing I do need that I did see is the crack in the distributor right there. But it has all new plugs in it and stuff like that. But it looks real good and all. Alright. And I'm going to be doing a little story time right here. This tractor pulled so many trees out. Probably more trees than my age, though, probably. It's pulled so many trees down. And my neighbor that was kin to us had a gum tree that was down at the creek. And anyways, I was a real little kid then. And we had a box in the back where we put like the wood or just anything you want to in there basically. And anyways, we was coming up a hill, and you know that gum was it's real heavy. It was big rocks, probably about like this, maybe even bigger. We could only fit like 3 or 4 in there. And anyways, as we was coming up that hill, even flat, it was just doing like, and the only thing that was stopping us was that damn box, because on the back it goes all the way to the ground, and we was just dragging it like this. And because as you see, there's no weights in the front. But this tractor has done crazy amounts of work. And matter of fact, this is the first tractor I ever really learned to drive on. Of course, I was a little kid, and my dad, the story of that was, my dad pretty much just sat in the back, or stood in the back, and just let me do whatever. And the clutch on this tractor it's not stiff by all means, it's just hard to let off slowly, and you just always pop a wheelie. There's never once that I didn't pop a wheelie putting it in like first gear, second, third, whatever you want to start in. And but it's a really fun tractor. It's really old. And we also have a Farmall Cub. It's like a Super A or something like that. Can't remember. It's old as well. And it was one of the last years that made it. I think it was the last year they made it. But yeah, there's I might go in another video when we first start working on it, because right now it's way too hot. I go over the stuff that I need to do. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. And here's I don't know if I'm gonna put the pulling video before or after. Shoot. let's just do it before. I mean, poem video before. So yeah.